In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable WordPress Debug Mode. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to troubleshoot or develop their WordPress site effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to enable this feature and why it can be so beneficial. Let's begin with the first step. Open your WordPress files. These files are the backbone of your website. Accessing them might seem a bit daunting if you're new to WordPress, but don't worry, you can usually find these files in the directory where your website is hosted. This is often accessible through your hosting provider's control panel or a file manager. With your WordPress files open, the next thing you need to do is locate the wp-config.php file in your site's root folder. This file is particularly important because it contains configuration details essential for your WordPress site to run smoothly. It's located at the base of your WordPress directory, usually alongside folders like wp-admin and wp-content. Always make sure to handle this file with care, as incorrect changes can affect your entire website. Once you've found the wp-config.php file, the next step is to edit it. Open the file using a text editor of your choice. This could be Notepad, Sublime Text, or any other text editor you are comfortable with. As you scroll through the file, you will notice various settings that control different aspects of your WordPress site. Keep an eye out for anything that looks unfamiliar, but don't worry, you're in the right place. Now, let's find a specific line that reads define, open parentheses, single quote, wp_debug, single quote, comma, false, close parentheses, semicolon. This line is crucial because it tells your WordPress site whether to keep debug mode off. Debug mode is a powerful tool that can help identify issues by displaying errors on your site. Remember, seeing errors is a good thing here as it helps you know what needs fixing. Once you find that line, it's time to replace it. Change the word false to true, so it should now read define, open parentheses, single quote, wp_dob, single quote, comma, true, close parentheses, semicolon. This tiny change is what enables the debug mode. By switching this to true, you are instructing WordPress to display all the errors on your website. This can be incredibly useful for developers and anyone looking to troubleshoot issues effectively. After making this change, save the wp-config.php file. It's important to ensure your changes are saved, otherwise debug mode won't be enabled. Saving your file will apply the changes immediately, and you should start seeing error messages on your site if there are any issues present. This is your confirmation that debug mode is active. And that's it! You've successfully enabled WordPress debug mode. By doing so, you've unlocked a powerful tool that helps you identify and resolve issues quickly. Remember, while debug mode is incredibly useful, it's best to turn it off on a live site once you're done troubleshooting to avoid displaying errors to visitors. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you feel more equipped to handle WordPress debugging. Until next time, happy developing!